Hi guys, welcome to my channel Comedy and Knowledge. So today we will start to new chapter of MySQL database. So last 3 days we covered the chapter first and second, third. So now we are covering the new chapter. Okay, for inserting these things. So let's start to cover this whole chapter. First, I'm drinking. First, I want to drink water. Then I'll be start. Okay. Sorry for interruption. So let's start for learning new things from database. So which one is okay? This is tutorial. We covered three chapter queries, entries. We covered. Okay. So next chapter is queries, entries. We covered. Yes, query entries we covered. This is chapter 4 for creating and using the a database. So in this chapter we covered these all things: creating and selecting a database, creating a table and loading a table into a table, retrieving information from table, selecting all data, selecting particular rows, selecting particular columns, sorting rows, data calculations, working with null values, pattern matching, counting row. These all topic today we are cover. Okay. So let's start for creating new things. So yeah. So first I open my database, then we'll connect. Where is database? Database. This is database. Okay, and this is a data my database. Sorry, a MySQL database PDF file. Yeah. Once so I'll start from here to there. Okay. So once you know how to enter SQL statement, you are ready to access a database. Okay. What is the process? First, you connect your database from the command. Okay, using the MySQL dash u your username and just dash p enter. After entering these things, you will get just that MySQL server have known that your password, then you will put that password after entering password, then showing like that panel inside MySQL. Uh, uh, it's connected. Okay, that terminal have connected to the MySQL server. So let's start again. Suppose that you can several pets in your home and you would like to keep track of various type of information about them. You can to do so by creating a table to hold your data and loading them with a desired information. Then you can answer different sort of question about your animals by retrieving data from the tables. The section so you how to perform the following operations. First, you create your database. What is the following operations, like which pattern you will follow? Then you create a perfect database and create then you will create a perfect database and perfect tables, and inside table you will create a perfect rows and columns. These things we will cover today. So these things and retrieve data from your tables in various ways. Okay, we are applying some conditions and we fetch some columns data and rows data. These things we today we are covering. So use multiple tables. These things also we cover. Next, uh, The Menagri database is a simple, but it is not difficult to think of real world situations in which a similar type of database might be used. For example, a database like this could be used by a farmer to keep track of livestock, or by a veterinarian. Veterinarian. What is meaning of that veterinarian? Let's see what is the meaning and pronunciation. What is the perfect pronunciation? I don't know. So, wait.
Veterinarian.
Veterinarian. Veterinarian. Veterinarian. So, what is the pasu palak? Means pasu chikitsak. Okay. Or by a veterinarian to keep track of patient record. A Menegree distributions containing some of the queries and sample data used in the following section and can be obtained from the MySQL website. It is available in both compressed tar file and G file format HTTP. These things, okay. So how to show your database? Then you just show your database. So use the show statement. Find out what database currently exists on this server. Okay. When you enter when you use that statement, so statement, that time you able to see like all database exist in the all database name exist in the MySQL server. Okay. This thing we covered. So today, what is next things? The MySQL database describe user accessed privileges, and the test database often is available as a workspace for user to trying things out. The list of database display by the statement may be different on your machines. So database doesn't show databases that you have no privilege for. If you do not have so database privileges, see so database statement. Okay. So then so database I put it so database statements. Okay. So next, so just first I quit it. Then how first I connect this quit. Okay. QUID quit maybe. Bye. It's equitable. Okay. Then after next I'll be connect the my SQL server. So dash u uh, username, then dash p, enter, then you enter your password. It's able to connect. Okay. Then what is the so statement we are covering? Okay. So now we are covering now we are covered that so statement. Okay. So inside so statement your database name, databases. Okay, right, correct. So databases, then here showing all your database name. Okay. This thing here showing, if there is not showing anything, then here showing empty. Okay. Then like we start next, here the test database exists in the case. Then you use the database name test, like a test database have exist, like this is the database sys database have exist inside that server. So I use just when you First you need select like uh, first you need select your database inside the MySQL server, then you will utilize that database. Okay, so first when you select that your database and choice it, so just you write use and your database name, which database you want to select here. Okay, after that you're selecting database here, showing some message database changes. Then you will write your then you want to show your tables. So when you want to show your tables name, then I'll be cover next things, okay, next chapter, then you show. So here showing that much error, sorry, messages. So use and quit doesn't require a semicolon. Use and quit doesn't require any semicolon. So I use sorry, I check it's if it's working then. Use and quit doesn't require any semicolon. The use statement is special in other way too. It must be given on a single line. You can use the test database for the example that follow. But anything you create a database can be removed by anyone and else with access to it. For this session, you should probably uh, probably probably ask your MySQL administrator for permission to use the database on your own. Support that you want to call your managery. The administrator need to execute a statement like this. What is this here? Grant all managery to, I don't know what is this. Okay. Uh, then next chapter, what is the create and selecting our database. So first we want to create a database. Here cover that this all topic, how to create your database and how to select that specific database, and after that how to perform that specific operation on that specific database name inside the specific database name. So let's start the new concept. Okay, if the administrator, so these things, this chapter I'm covering. So creating and selecting a database. Creating and selecting a database. If the administrator create your database for you, when setting up your permission you can bank using it, otherwise you need to create in yourself. Okay, so first we create a database. So like I need to create a database. Create a database. What is your database name? Just we are writing MySQL. What is name? MySQL. MySQL class. Okay. After entering, then it's okay. This query have showing. Then if you want to show all database, then here showing all database command. Then you will write this show statement. Uh, this is show statement. They are showing your where is your database name? MySQL class. Here showing okay. This is the MySQL class. Then you use my uh, MySQL class. Sorry, CLAWS. Then you use the MySQL class. Then you write, and when you see that specific table, then you describe Sorry, then here so tables, empty table here showing. Okay. Then if you want to need to see that all table specific table inside the like when you want to see all table inside the specific database, which database you selected. Okay, then you enter this, so your when you want to see database, then you will write the database show statement with the your specific database name. Then you want to see all tables from the specific database. Okay, tables. Then you put it that show tables. That time, this is empty, then showing here no any database here, just empty here, so empty set. Then after that we covered. So these things we covered: create a database and use database. These things are done. Okay. So creating table. So table, then here showing empty these things. Okay. So creating table we are covering tomorrow. Maybe can we start tomorrow? Yeah, this is a long video. So tomorrow we will start the creating a database. Then tomorrow we'll cover this creating database and loading data into our tables. Okay. So thank you for watching my video. And if you are like my video, and you and my video have will help you, then please like and subscribe it. Thank you for watching my channels and my video. Thank you once again. Yeah, bye bye.